Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I am Monique from Special Occasions by Design, and today we're going to walk through this boho themed baby shower. Now, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to do so, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload new content. The venue for this boho themed baby shower was inside of a 2-car garage. Now, I know you can't tell from the pictures, but it was actually inside of a garage. To start the whole process, I asked the couple to send me pictures of things that they like, their must-haves, their dislikes, elements that they want to see present at the shower. And the common thread here was they wanted it to be boho inspired, wanted some balloon structures, a special place for mom to sit. And this is what I came up with. I decided to go with pallets to keep with that theme of low seating for the boho theme. And I also went ahead and added in here a lot of chocolate, browns, ivories, rustic almost, and added in a lot of that same boho inspired floral arrangements. I went ahead and also added some balloon structures and added these hand painted vases that I created. Now, if you click on the link above, you'll notice that will take you to the actual tutorial on how to create these. Now, the centerpieces I also have linked above, and you can see here, I created these using roses, cattails, some eucalyptus stems. I added some fans, and that was my finished product. Now, I created a place for the desserts, a place for food, a place for the guests. Under the teepee was where we had the mom sit. Use a Chiara wall as the backdrop. Use a wicker nightstand that I found from actually Facebook Marketplace, and use that as the featured area for the treats. Now, the treats was just cake and macaroons, so it was the perfect size and it blended in well with the theme. I added some floral arrangements inside of one of these drawers, and I believe it came out perfectly. Now, in my little town, we have a store called Roses, and in Roses, I was able to pick up these carpets that you see here. I used 3 of them. Got the pallets from Facebook Marketplace, pillows from Facebook Marketplace, random areas, just trying to find things that will match in that theme. The stool, the little gift table was also from Facebook Marketplace. And here you have it. The special feature was, I would say, the balloons. The balloons did give me a warm time because of trying to use that varying color palettes. I had to try to use double stuffed balloons. Now you see the fans going in the background. This garage was hot. So as soon as the balloons hit the ground, and I originally intended for the darker ones to hit the ground, they just started popping. And then as I was experiencing the popping of these balloons, it made it so that I just had to redo the theme, redo the layout, and this is what we ended up with. Thank you all for watching. Again, if you have any questions, ask them in the description box below. And if you haven't, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.